G'day folks, today we're going to be taking a look at a very small but very important accessory for your GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now many of you already know what this is and many of you probably already own one. I've actually had this thing for quite some time, but I got really busy through the holiday season and just hadn't got around to making a video about it yet. But today I had some free time on my hands and I thought we would take a closer look at it for those who aren't aware what it is, or perhaps you just got your Hero 8 Black over the holiday season and are looking for accessories to help enhance it. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So basically this is just a door for the Hero 8 Black. It's a replacement door than the stock one that comes with it. Now an accessory like this is definitely not for everybody. It's not something that everybody's going to make use of. So I'm just going to show you here what it's for. So here I've got the Hero 8 Black, and this year they really changed the design and the form factor of the GoPro. And one of the main changes they did this year is they changed where everything is kind of hidden under doors. They've put everything under one door at the side. So to access our battery and our ports, we pull this little latch down here at the bottom, and we can lift the door up. You can see here the door comes off quite easy. Now this is kind of where the problem is. Everything is now located under one door. You can see here we have our battery, we have our memory card slot, and we have our charging port. If you're a person who's going to be using it for moto vlogging, or perhaps you're going to be doing long time lapses, sometimes you need to plug in your GoPro to external power while using it. For example, if you're going to be doing an overnight night lapse, you may want to plug this into a power bank to make sure you've got enough power to get through the whole night. If you're a moto vlogger and you've got this mounted on a motorcycle or even perhaps a car and you're doing some drive lapses or some commentary, definitely you want to have it plugged into external power because the batteries that come with the GoPro don't last very long and you're going to be forever changing batteries. So now the problem is when you go to plug it into power, everything is still exposed. With previous GoPros, there was just one small door that exposed the HDMI port and the charging port, but your battery and memory card were still covered. Plus you can get a lot of dust and debris built up over time. So Ulanzi came up with this nice little third-party door here. You can see it's the same size as the stock door, except it has a little cutout where we plug in a USB connector. It clips on just the same way, just at the top there like that. And it locks in just like that. But as you can see now, we can fully access our USB-C port. So we can take the cable that comes with the GoPro, plug it in just like that. Now definitely it is not waterproof like this. You can still get moisture in there, but not as bad as having the whole door open. Plus you're going to keep all the dust and debris out of the memory card slot and the battery compartment. It also works well if you're going to be using an accessory like this. This here is a power bank handle. You just connect your GoPro to it just like that there. And now when you go to plug your GoPro into the handle, you don't have the battery door fully exposed. So depending on how you use your GoPro, it's definitely a nice little accessory. Anyways, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.